Assalamu alaikum everyone, and look at this Gala video update today. And so right now we're looking at Gala for the monthly time frame here, and I was just checking out because Gala has made this incredible bullish engulfing candlestick, and I think that's a very good sign at the moment to have. So at this point of time we have that bullish engulfing candlestick, and we might actually expect to see some monthly time frame reversal, but on the daily time frame it's a little bit different, and we're going to talk about it. So last week on the weekly time frame kind of made this doji right here, made this pump the next week actually, and that's because of Bitcoin actually moving up to $26,000, and then we had a push to the upside. But what I see mainly on the daily is the following, and I'm going to keep it this very short and sweet. So you do have this bearish engulfing candlestick, which is a reversal candle to the downside, number one. And number two is I want to show you the RSI. So if you look at the RSI previously, when Gala made this move to the upside right here, that was incredible. And you got a little bit overextended on the RSI. So if you check out the RSI right now, this is the overbought level of the RSI for Gala. And now what I'm expecting basically for Gala is to maybe come down once again to this trend line of that previously it had. So I'm just going to take the trend line on the RSI here, and let's talk about it. So if you drag this support line on the RSI, I think it would be a good idea to maybe wait at least for Gala to make it all the way down to this support line which it previously had. So if I just zoom out a little bit, then you can see that this was your one support touch, second support, third one, fourth one, and you could potentially just come a little bit more down here, touch that trendline support, and that will be an amazing entry opportunity. I think I'm just gonna try to get a little bit of that. So it depends on how much down you come right over here, but I think the buying opportunities are going to be down when you actually get to the oversold level on the daily time frame as well. So that's pretty much it for this Gala update right now, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.